Bake Affair. Today we are going to make condensed milk with two of the most basic ingredients that are always available at your home. Yes, that's right. Because condensed milk is an absolute essential when it comes to my eggless cakes and so many desserts, ice creams and whatnot. And when you go to buy it from the store, it does turn out to be a little expensive and pinches your pocket. So why not learn how to make it at home yourself? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and to follow us on Instagram at AnjalisBakeAffair. Now let's start.
So what we need is some milk, preferably full fat milk, and some granulated sugar. So to begin, start heating the milk on low heat. Now you can use any milk, but of course I would recommend full fat milk since we are going to condense it. So the thicker it is to begin with, the better result you'll get. So in this milk, add in your sugar right away, just as soon as you start heating it, because we do not want the sugar to crystallize later on. Let it dissolve in the milk immediately. And then all you need to do is basically keep stirring it. I use 2/3 cups of sugar with 2 cups of milk. You can use up to 1 cup of sugar if you want to. That will make your condensed milk slightly more thick and slightly sweeter, which is also okay if you're okay with it. Now you can store this in an airtight jar, sealed jar, for about a week or so, very easily. Try and store it inside the fridge. That will give you a longer lasting product. Make sure that you keep the heat low once the milk has come to a boil. Now it's all about stirring at regular intervals. I actually do it almost continuously because I don't want to take any chances. Now slowly and steadily this milk will of course start to reduce, and as it reduces, once it is about half, like here it is, you can see that the color will start to change. It will start becoming a little yellow. That's also because of the presence of sugar in it. The sugar is kind of caramelizing a bit, and so it's imparting its own color to the milk. What we are looking at is this milk to reduce even less than a half of the original quantity. So here I had started with 2 cups of milk. I would want it to be reduced to less than 1 cup. Here it's almost 3/4 cups when I stopped. And I stopped at this point because I was quite happy with this consistency. This is very hot, so it's looking thin to you. But as we keep it for some time, as it cools down, it's going to thicken up further. Now let me pour it into a jug and show you how little of it is now left. So can you see? Now it looks so little in quantity. Yes, that is because the milk has reduced so much. Now the real quantity is here. It's about 3/4 cups and it tastes awesome. I've not added any flavors to it, nothing at all. So did you ever think it was so easy to make your very own condensed milk at home? Do write in your comments and let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you end up making this, do post a picture on Instagram and tag us at AnjalisBakeAffair. So till next time, bye bye and enjoy.